Get ready for a delectable and educational experience as we take you on a captivating journey through the intricate process of chocolate making. In this enlightening video, we'll uncover the secrets behind one of the world's favorite indulgences and explore the rich history, science, and craftsmanship that transform cocoa beans into the chocolate we adore. Our journey begins by tracing the origins of chocolate back to ancient Mesoamerica, where the cacao tree was revered by indigenous civilizations. Learn how the Mayans and Aztecs prepared and consumed cocoa, and the role it played in their rituals and daily life. Step into the lush cocoa plantations of tropical regions as we witness the careful harvesting of cocoa pods. Dive into the science of cocoa fermentation, a crucial step in developing chocolate's complex flavors. Discover how environmental factors, such as soil and climate, influence cocoa bean characteristics. Unlock the doors of a chocolate factory and gain exclusive access to the chocolate-making process. Follow the cocoa beans as they undergo cleaning, roasting, cracking, and winnowing, transforming from raw beans into nibs, the heart of chocolate production. Experience the mesmerizing sights and sounds of the conching process, where chocolate is refined and smoothed to achieve its signature velvety texture. Understand the importance of tempering in creating shiny, snap-worthy chocolate bars. Dive deep into the science of chocolate flavor development. Explore the impact of cocoa bean variety, fermentation, and roasting profiles on chocolate taste. We'll also uncover the influence of terroir, much like fine wines, in chocolate's diverse flavor profiles. Meet master chocolatiers who craft exquisite chocolate creations. Observe their artistic techniques for handcrafting truffles, bonbons, and chocolate sculptures. Learn about the creative process and the marriage of flavors that make each chocolate piece a unique masterpiece. Explore the fascinating health benefits associated with chocolate consumption, from antioxidants to mood-enhancing compounds. We'll also discuss the importance of responsible sourcing and sustainable practices in the chocolate industry. Delve into the cultural significance of chocolate in different parts of the world, from traditional Mexican hot chocolate to Swiss chocolate craftsmanship. Learn how chocolate has been woven into cultural narratives and celebrations throughout history. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a newfound appreciation for chocolate but also a comprehensive understanding of the journey from bean to bar. So, grab your favorite chocolate treat and join us on this enlightening and delicious adventure into the world of chocolate making.